Hello dear students, welcome to this revision class. Today we will revise lesson number 24, verbs perfect tenses. You had already studied about the simple tense, all the simple tenses, the simple present, the simple past and the simple future. Now we will study the perfect tenses. What are perfect tenses? First of all, we will revise about that what are perfect tenses. Perfect means that tells us something about that is complete. So here there are 6 types of perfect tenses which we are going to revise, and I already told you to learn the main rules of the tenses, perfect tenses, along with their negative and interrogative forms. They are also very important. Everything is very clearly given in the grammar book, so prepare those rules nicely. On the basis of those rules only we will do all the questions. So here it is given the present perfect tense. So the present perfect tense usually refers to an action that has been completed at the moment of speaking. And what is the form? Have or has plus the past participle of the main verb. It has a negative form also. When we add not, it becomes a negative. And interrogative becomes how it turns into interrogative when we interchange the place of the auxiliary verb and the subject with each other. Now, what is the present perfect continuous tense? The present perfect continuous tense refers to an action that started in the past but is continuing in the present at the moment of speaking. And what is the form of it? Its form is has or have plus been plus past participle form of the main verb. It also has the negative form and the interrogative form too. So revise them nicely. Then comes, there are some uses also of the present perfect continuous tense and the present perfect tense and other tenses also. So you will revise their uses too. So it will help us to find out that which tense shall be used in to describe what moment or action. Now past perfect tense. The past perfect tense refers to an action completed at some point in the past. But another action was also begun before another action was begun. It also has negative and interrogative form too. Then past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense is used to express an action that was going on for a period of time in the past and which is related to some other event or action in the past. So again here you will see there is something important mention that we use the past perfect continuous tense while talking about a past time to talk about an earlier situation which had continued up to that time. Then future perfect. Future perfect is used to talk about an action that will be completed before or by a specific time in the future. And what is the form? Will plus have plus the past participle form of the main verb. It also has negative. Future perfect continuous tense is used to express an action that will continue into the future up to a specific time. This is not very commonly used. Its form is will plus have plus been plus the present participle of the main verb. So this is all the 6 tenses given in this, the perfect tenses. Revise them nicely along with the examples. Prepare it. Till then, thank you.